Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the CS2 error where you get the message saying VAC was unable to verify your game session. Now this error is often linked to an issue with your game files, but luckily is very straightforward to fix. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing we need to do is head over to the Start menu, and you'll just need to search for Task Manager. Inside of the Task Manager, we just need to make sure that Steam is ended from all of these processes just by right-clicking on Steam and selecting End Task. Now, just to make sure Steam is fully shut down, we can also use the search box at the top here and just search for Steam, and just make sure the application is not running on your computer. And then we can close out of the Task Manager window, and you'll need to head over to your File Explorer. Inside of the C drive, come all the way down to Program Files x86. Scroll down to find the Steam folder and head inside of here. Once again, scroll all the way down until you find the Steam.exe application. And we're just going to right click on this, come over to Properties, head inside of the Compatibility tab, and make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator are both checked. Press Apply and OK to save your changes, and then double-click to launch up the Steam application. So once you have Steam running, you need to head over to Steam in the left-hand side here. Come down to Settings, and then from the left, come over to this Downloads tab, and then we're going to scroll down slightly to Clear Download Cache, and then just select this Clear Cache button. Press on Confirm to clear all of the cache, and then you'll need to restart the Steam application. Once you're back inside of Steam, this time head over to the library in the top here, and you need to locate Counter-Strike 2 from your list of games. Then just right-click on this, come over to Properties, and from the left select Installed Files, and then we're just going to press Verify Integrity of Game Files, and this will scan through all of our game file folders just to make sure that all of our files are in order and nothing's damaged or missing. So once that gets to 100%, we can then close out of this window. And the very last thing you'll need to do is just head over to your Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Then head over to the Windows Defender Firewall. From the left-hand side, select Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall. At the top here, you need to select this Change Settings button to allow us to make changes to this list. And then you need to scroll down, and we're looking for Counter-Strike 2. Now this should be just labeled as CS2 in here. And once you found it, just make sure this box is checked and then tick Private and Public. And you'll also need to do the same for this one here, Counter-Strike 2. Just make sure both Private and Public are ticked. If you don't have the game inside of here, you can always come over to Allow another app, click on Browse, and then just locate the game from your list of applications. And once we've done that, we can close out of here, launch back up the Steam application, and now when you try running Counter-Strike, that should have now fixed your issue. Let me know in the comments if that did work for you, and if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.